Hello, everyone. It's Lisa from Canta Aesthetic. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on the 40K Cavitation Machine Plus 9-in-1. This machine is your go-to for body sculpting, fat reduction, and skin tightening, all in one. Today, I'm going to show you how to set it up and walk you through each of the functions so you can maximize the benefits for your clients. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this tutorial will ensure you get the most out of this fantastic equipment. Let's get started. 9-in-1 40K Cavitation Machine Key Features. 1. Completely integrated technology. 9-in-1 functionality: cavitation, vacuum, radio frequency, lipo laser, cold hammer, and microcurrent technology are fully integrated into one device, offering whole body contouring and facial rejuvenation. Targeted fat reduction. The 40K ultrasonic cavitation system targets deep-seated fat deposits to break them down, thereby providing effective slimming and body shaping. 2. Added skincare benefits: multimodal skin enhancement. The radio frequency tightens, and the photon rejuvenation polishes and helps tighten the skin. Cold hammer technology. To close the pores tightly and reduce wrinkles, it cools the skin and is used after other treatments for soothing it. 3. Friendly and safe operation. Adjustable settings for personalized treatments. Multiple working modes and power adjustments allow for the formulation of the treatment according to personal requirements and comfort. User-friendly. It is designed with user-friendliness in mind, a friendly interface, and complete security features. Appropriate for professional and home use. Canta Aesthetic comes with extensive user manuals and professional training to safely and confidently get the best use out of the device. 4. Highly compatible and effective treatment options. It provides therapeutic benefits of reducing pain by enhancing lymphatic drainage and improving blood circulation. The treatment options are provided with the facility of specialized heads for face and body treatments to give precise application and effective results. 5. Minimum downtime. Non-invasive treatment, a non-surgical approach to reduce fat and skin tightening, allowing for immediate return to daily activities. This is the main body of the machine. This is the side and back of the machine. This is the ice head handle. This is the EMS patch. This is the face RF handle. This is the LED head handle. This is the body RF handle. This is the cavitation handle. This is the IRF handle. This is the vacuum handle. These are the machine straps. These are the handle brackets on both sides. This is the handle bracket on top. This is the laser patch. This is the user manual. Let's install the side handle bracket. First, remove the 2 screws. Align the bracket with the screw holes. Then tighten the screws. The bracket is now secured. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Let's install the top bracket. Just snap it into place at the screw positions. Next, install the machine filter on the bottom right of the back. Install the vacuum handle. Find the corresponding hole, align and insert, then place it on the top bracket. Install the IRF handle. Follow the same steps as before. Install the cavitation handle. Install the body RF handle. Install the face RF handle. This is the vacuum negative. Next, we'll install the LED head handle on the side bracket. Install the ice head handle. Install the EMS patch. Install the laser patch. Install the second laser patch. Install the third laser patch. Install the small laser patch. At this point, all the handles are fully installed. Turn on the main switch at the back. Tap the screen to enter the handle operation page. Tap the cavitation handle. The first column allows you to set the working time, the second sets the mode, and the third sets the energy. Adjust the parameters using the plus and minus buttons on the left and right. These are the stop, back, start, and pause buttons. Tap Start to activate the handle. Pour a small amount of pure water on the handle's contact surface for testing. Observe that the water droplets react vigorously, producing a large amount of steam which evaporates quickly. Tap Pause to stop the operation. Select the vacuum handle. Set the parameters for working duration, RF mode, RF power, suction, and relaxation. Activate the handle. You can test the suction power with your palm. Select the body RF handle. Set the parameters for working duration, RF mode, and RF power. Activate the handle. Select the face RF handle. Set the parameters for working duration, RF mode, and RF power. Activate the handle. Select the IRF handle. Set the parameters for working duration, RF mode, and RF power. Activate the handle. Select the laser patch. Set the parameters for working duration, laser mode, and laser power. Tap Start and the lights on the laser patch will illuminate, indicating it is operating. Select the ice head handle. Set the parameters for working duration and cold power. Activate the handle. Select the LED head handle. Set the parameters for working duration, BIO mode, BIO power, and LED color. Activate the handle. You can change the LED color mid-operation. Stop the operation. Select the EMS patch. Set the parameters for working duration, EMS mode, and EMS power. Tap Start. Tap back to return to the main page. This concludes the complete installation and operation of the machine and its handles. Alright, that's it for our guide on the 40K Cavitation Machine Plus 9-in-1. I hope this video helped you understand how to properly install and operate each of its components for optimal results. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below or check out more resources on our website at cantaesthetic.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and updates. I'm Lisa, and I look forward to seeing how this machine helps transform your practice. Take care and see you in the next video.